You don't need a ladder or a drone to tell if a roof has problems. You can spot most warning signs right from the ground. Here are 5 things to look for before you ever make an offer on a house. 1. Curling or buckling shingles. When shingles age, they curl at the edges or buckle in the middle. If you can see waves or bumps in the roofline from the street, the shingles are past their useful life. This means water can get underneath and into your home. 2. Mismatched shingles. If you see patches of different colored or different textured shingles, it means the roof has been repaired piecemeal over the years. That's a sign of recurring problems. A well-maintained roof has uniform shingles. A patchwork roof is a band-aid job. 3. Granules in the gutters. If you can see the gutters from the ground and they're filled with what looks like coarse sand, those are shingle granules. As shingles age, they shed their protective granules. Once the granules are gone, the shingle is exposed to UV rays and degrades fast. Heavy granule loss means replacement is near. 4. Moss or algae growth. Moss grows where moisture stays on the roof, usually on the north side. Moss roots can actually lift shingles and let water underneath. A little algae is cosmetic, but thick moss is a structural concern. Also look for any sagging in the roofline. A flat roof should be flat. A sagging roof has structural problems underneath. 5. Water stains on exterior walls. If you see dark streaks running down the walls from the roofline, water is getting behind the gutters or flashing. This means the water management system is failing. Check inside for ceiling stains too. Any brown or yellow discoloration on ceilings means active water intrusion. So to recap: curling shingles, mismatched patches, granules in gutters, moss growth, water stains. If you see any 2 of these, budget for a roof replacement. If you see 3 or more, walk away or demand a significant price reduction. Don't let a bad roof become your problem. I'm Montoya Jeter with Property Wiz Incorporated. We help buyers, sellers, and investors protect their investments. For a professional property review or consultation, visit propertywizinc.com. Because knowledge saves you money. I'm Montoya Jeter with Property Wiz Incorporated. For more tips, consultations, and resources, visit propertywizinc.com. Subscribe for more Property Wiz Pro tips, and hit the like button if this helped you.